Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Trading Bulls. Today's topic is top 10 indicators that every stock trader should know. So let's start our video. Top 10 indicators that every trader should know. This is the part of technical analysis. So let's start. First, moving average. Let's look at the top 10 indicators that every trader should know. First is moving average. The concept of moving average is very important that every trader should know. Therefore, it is important to understand what is the happening at the micro level. Moving average is the average price of the last number of candles that represent that overall sentiment of the price. If the price is trading above the moving average, it is an indication that buyers are controlling the price. On the other hand, if the price is trading below the moving average, it means sellers control the price. Therefore, in your trading strategy, you should focus on buy trades if the price is above the moving average. It is one of the best indicators that is traders should know. This is the moving average chart. When 20 moving average, they here indicate that if 20 moving average and 100 moving average candle are above in the moving average, that you should buy stock. RSI, relative strength index. RSI, the RSI index moves from 0 to 100 levels. This indicator indicates where the price is likely to reverse. In an uptrend, when the price moves above the 70 levels, it indicates a bearish market reversal. Similarly, if the price moves below the 30 levels in downtrend, it indicates the bullish market reversal. This is the chart of RSI. Here is the 70 level. If market is going to below 70 RSI, then it is start to downtrend. Next, MACD. MACD is a trading indicator that consists of a histogram and exponential moving average. The main purpose of this indicator is to calculate the divergence with the price. The regular divergence with MACD and price indicator indicates a market reversal, while their hidden divergence indicates market continuation. MACD, here is the MACD divergence. Bollinger Band. John Bollinger created the Bollinger Band indicator. The main element of Bollinger Band is moving average. There are two standard deviation in upside and downside are classical moving average in the middle. Overall, this trading indicator is a very easy to use and provides reliable trading entry. This is the chart of Bollinger Band. Here is the rejection of the upper band. Here is the price is rejected, and again price fall. This is the rejection from lower band, the uptrend, and here is the downtrend. Next, stochastic. Stochastic is a popular momentum indicator that was developed in the early 1950s. The main aim of this indicator is to identify the overbought and oversold zone. Traders often need to find a possible profit taking area in their trading strategies. Therefore, they use this indicator to find the location from where the price is expected to reverse. The stochastic indicators moves 0 to 100 levels. This is the chart of stochastic indicators. Ichimoku Kinko Hayo. Ichimoku Kinko Hayo, or the Ichimoku cloud, is the trading indicator with elements to create a complete trading strategy. Several elements in this indicator helps traders to identify every aspects of the market. The Como cloud is the first elements of this indicators that helps to understand the market context. If the price is trading below the Como cloud, the overall trend is bearish, and above the Como cloud is bullish. Here is the example of Ichimoku Kinu Hoyo. Next, Fibonacci. Fibonacci is a trading tools that shows the most accurate market direction, as it is related to every creature in the universe. The most significant part of the Fibonacci tools is the golden ratio 1.618. In the market, traders use this ratio to identify market reversal and profit taking area. If the price moves with the trend, corrects towards 61.8% Fibonacci retracement and shows a market reversal, the price will likely move 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of the current leg. This is the example of Fibonacci retracement. This is the chart. Average true range ATR. ATR indicates that volatility of the pair, stock pair or currency pair in the market. Measuring the volatility is a very important as the related to the direct market movement. In every financial market, the increase of volatility indicates the market reversal and the decrease of volatility indicates the market continuation. This is the example of ATR. This is the very low ATR, and here is the price is uptrend. Parabolic SAR. Parabolic SAR indicates the market trend of a stock or currency pair. If the price is above the parabolic SAR, the overall trend is bullish. On the other hand, if the price is below SAR, the overall trend is bearish. Here is the example. Okay. Pivot point. Pivot point indicators that the equilibrium. Pivot point indicators the equilibrium level of supply and demand of the stock and currency pairs. If the price reaches the pivot point level, it indicates the supply and demand of the particular pair are the same. If the price moves above the pivot point level, it indicates that the demand of the stock or currency pair is very high. However, if the price moves below the pivot point, the supply would be high. This is the chart of pivot point. Rejection from here, again going to uptrend. Conclusion. In the financial market, price tend to move at equilibrium point before setting any direction. However, this trading indicator provides a possible trading entry from the rejection of the pivot point. All indicators are important trading tools that most of the traders should know. However, the effectiveness of technical trading indicator depends on how you are utilizing it. Traders often use multiple indicators with different parameters to increase the probability of a stock market movement. Happy learning. Thank you for watching our YouTube channels. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.